सो आज हम फिर से नया टॉपिक लेके आए हैं। जो हमारा टॉपिक है एडल्ट एजुकेशन। एडल्ट एजुकेशन जिसमें हम बात कर रहे हैं डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन इंडिया एंड इट्स चैलेंजेस में। ओके, जो अच्छी पीपीटीज बनाकर लाता है हमारा अनार्या लर्न्स चैनल, जिसमें हम बात करेंगे आज एडल्ट एजुकेशन की। एडल्ट एजुकेशन ऐसी एजुकेशन है जो हमें 18 साल के बाद जो हम एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं, जो हमारी जिसमें हम स्कूलिंग ना जाकर हम ऑनलाइन रहकर स्टडी घर में करके प्राइवेट कोर्स करके हम और बहुत सारी तरीके के हम कोर्सेस को करते हैं जो हमारे एडल्ट एजुकेशन के अंदर आती है। तो देखते हैं क्या है एडल्ट एजुकेशन में, जो कि बहुत ही शॉर्ट तरीके से बताई गई है पीपीटी में। Adult education. Adult education is a practice in which adults engage in systematic and permanent self-education activities in order to gain new forms of knowledge, skill, attitude, or value. It can mean any forms of learning adults engage in beyond traditional schooling, encompassing basic lectures to personal fulfillment as a lifelong learner. Okay. According to Morgan and Holmes and Bunty, adult education may be thought of such a conceived effort of mature person to learn something new. Adult learning can be in any of the three contexts, etc., 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 like formal, like non-formal, like informal education. So, what is the characteristics of adult education? Then, characteristics of adult education. Adult education provided to the all literacy person of the society. Then it provides bookish knowledge as well as generally knowledge to the people. It is not only relative in a single sector but relate with different sectors. Next, its main objectives to establish peace and welfare for the people. Next, to increase the diversity and provide education to the people. Next, it establishes adjustment between children, teenager and adult. It's limited finish the number of literate person of a country. Next, it connected people with skill development program. Next, it encourages inequalities in the society. Next, it performs very important role for the development of the society, country. Development of the country. Next, what is the principle of adult education? So, adult education principles are: adult cannot be made to learn. They will only learn when they are internally motivated to do so. Next, adults will only learn what they feel they need to learn. In other words, they are practical. Clearly, they are practical. Then, adults learn by doing. Okay, so like human are generally they are humble. So adults learn by doing. Active participation is especially important to other learner in comparison to children. Adults learning is problem based, and these problems must be latest. Adults learn like finding solution to problems. Adults learners is affected by the experience each adult brings. So, next, what are the problems of adult education? Then, problems are adult education is lack of school, lack of talented teacher, useless curriculum, useless teaching method, lack of finance, lack of awareness, sexual determination, unhealthiness, poverty, and conventionality. Then, what are various programs for adult education? So, the various programs for adult education are National Literacy Mission (NLM). So, Directorate of Adult Education. Third, Jana Shiksha Nilayam. Next, National Institute of Adult Education. And so, keep watching my channel Anarya Learns. Thank you for my watching video. Thank you. And next PPT, next topic, next video के साथ. Thank you everyone.